Hello everyone, my name is Michelle.
And I'm Jeanette.
This is Isa.
I'm Ashley.
And we are all with the Bartos Group at Premier Plus Realty. This Sunday in Naples, September 27th, we are hosting a mega open house. It will be from 1 to 4 p.m. Come check us out on Sunday. We are showcasing 4 amazing homes.
Are you thinking about buying? Or maybe you're thinking about selling your home? With interest rates falling under 3% and hundreds of people moving to Florida daily, there's no better time to sell than now. So, no matter if you're a buyer or a seller, come visit us on Sunday. Let us show you what we here at the Bartos Group can do for you. Remember, who you work with matters. And here at the Bartos Group, we pride ourselves on providing you with the experience you deserve.